Myself, Samsad Ahmad, Department of Chemistry, DAV PG College, Siwan. Today I have to discuss the last part of thermodynamics, work done in isothermal reversible expansion of a gas. Let a given quantity of a gas is enclosed in a cylinder vessels fitted with weightless and frictionless pistons. The whole cylinder is kept immersed in a thermostat at temperature capital T. Let the internal volume of the gas is V1. When the piston is at A, allowed to move up slowly till it reaches B. The volume of the gas becomes V2 as shown in the following figures. The difference of these volumes A up to A having V1 up to B, this volume expanded to V2. In these situations, work of expansion must be P into dV. This dV change in volume. So total work done of gas, that is W is equal to integration V1 to V2 P into dV. It may be considered as equation number 1. We know that PV is equal to nRT according to ideal gas, PV is equal to nRT. N is number of moles, P pressure, V volumes, R gas constant and T temperatures. So P must be nRT by V. Putting this value in equation first, W is equal to integration V1 to V2 nRT by V dV, or W is equal to nRT integration V1 to V2 dV by V. As we know, the integration of dx by x must be equal to log x. In the same situations, the integration of dV by V also be log V. Then W is equal to nRT log V लिमिट V2 to V1. इसलिए W is equal to nRT log V2 minus log V1. Since log A minus log B is equal to log A by B, so W is equal to nRT log V2 by V1. Natural log ln must be equal to 2.303 log. Then putting these values, W is equal to 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1. This is one conditions. As we know, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. In this situation, P2 by P1 must be equal to V2 by V1. This value of V2 by V1, putting in above equations, we can get W is equal to 2.303 nRT log P1 by P2. This is second conditions. Now calculation of du. U is internal energy. Now you have to calculate this value of du. We know that the molar heat capacity at constant volume of an ideal gas is given by Cv is equal to du by dt. Internal energy either be E or U, anyone we can consider. Here I have indicated that internal energy by U. Then du is equal to Cv dt. and for finite change du must be equal to Cv dt. This is the condition of or calculation of du, that must be equal to molar heat capacity at constant volume into dt change in temperatures. Now calculation of dH. As we know, enthalpy must be equal to internal energy plus pressure into volumes. Now on differentiations, dH must be equal to du plus delta PV. We know that for 1 mole of ideal gas PV is equal to RT, इसलिए dH is equal to d plus R dt. But we know that d is equal to Cv into dt, और dH is equal to Cv dt plus RT, और dH is equal to Cv plus R dt. We know that Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Cp minus Cv is equal to R, और Cp is equal to Cv plus R, और dH बराबर Cp dt. This is the condition of calculation of dH. Also H is equal to E plus PV, dH is equal to D plus PdV. Since D is equal to 0 and P is equal to 0, dH must be equal to 0. That's all.